Hello and welcome to this submit a plan question and answer video. Today's video is going to be about the different types of building control applications. It can be quite confusing about what type of application you need, so we do provide some information on the submit a plan website. On your homepage, if you go to the information tab, you'll see that we have some useful information here about what building regulations are and some exemptions. Under the submit a plan FAQs, you can find lots of different questions and we've provided you some answers. So one of the questions is, what type of application do I need to submit for my building works? So if I click on that link, it will take us to the answer. Now at Submit a Plan, we're not actually trained in building control, we just developed the Submit a Plan website, so we're not legally allowed to give any building control technical advice or application advice, but what we can do is just briefly tell you about the main types of application for building control that you can submit on Submit a Plan. So the first one is the full plan submission. It's the most common type of application local authorities receive for building works. It requires detailed drawings to be submitted together with a relevant fee for the work being undertaken. The plans are checked and an approval notice is issued before work commences. So this process can take up to 8 weeks depending on the project, but in most cases it will be completed well before this. Our second application is a building notice, and this is a simpler procedure that's generally used for minor works such as the removal of an internal load-bearing wall, but cannot be used for commercial developments. A big advantage of the building notice is it allows work to start 48 hours after you've submitted the application, as there is no plan checking involved before work begins. We also have a few other applications on Submit a Plan. We have the replacement doors and windows, which is quite self-explanatory. We also have a regularisation certificate, or you might hear it named a retrospective application. This application is for works that have already been carried out without gaining building control approval beforehand. We do offer this regularisation certificate on Submit a Plan, but it's always useful just to check with your local authority that that you know what you need to include in the application. So our final application is our partner authority scheme, and this is for agents who are submitting numerous applications to the same authority. And this application just simplifies the process so that you don't have to be putting in the same details again and again for the same authority. Please do contact us if you would like further information about the partner authority scheme. So if you're still unsure of what type of application you need, the best course of action is to seek advice from your local authority. You can find their contact details on our authority search page, where there is also the option to send them a message or inquiry about submitting an application. I hope this has been of some help, and you can find our contact details under the Contact Us tab. Here's our phone number and our email address. But you can also fill in your details here if you would like to contact us with any questions. Thank you very much.